Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom contact form on Shopify step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a brand new personalized contact page where your visitors can easily get in touch with you, and you'll understand how to tweak it to fit your needs. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Pages. Now, you might notice that Shopify actually gives you a default contact page when you create your store. If you only need something super basic, you could just edit that. But if you want more control and a simpler custom setup, I recommend starting fresh. Why? Customizing from scratch helps you avoid layout issues and lets you design the page exactly the way you want, without being limited by the default template. So let's add a new page. Click Add Page, and for the name, I suggest calling it Contact Us. This makes it instantly clear to visitors where they should go if they need help or have questions. You want this to be easy to find. Now at this stage, you don't need to type anything into the content field. Yes, just leave it blank for now. That might sound a bit odd, but don't worry, the magic happens a little later when we customize. Before moving forward, let's make sure people can actually find your new contact page. Think of your website's navigation like a roadmap. If the contact form is hidden, it's like having a secret door that no one knows about. So jump over to the menus. This is usually inside your navigation settings. Find the menu where you want the page to appear. Most often, that's your main menu, and click Add. Select your new Contact Us page from the list. This way, visitors can reach your contact page from anywhere on your site, which is super important for customer trust and accessibility. It's a small step, but it's absolutely crucial. Next, let's start making your page look and work like an actual contact form. To do this, go to your online store section, click on Themes, and then hit Customize. Customizer is where you get the real creative control over how your site looks, kind of like rearranging furniture in your house to make it both practical and stylish. Here, locate your new Contact Us page. Select it so you're editing just this page, not your whole site. Now for the fun part, adding the contact form section. Most themes will have a button or an option called Add Section. Click that and choose Contact Form from the available list. Instantly, Shopify will drop in a basic contact form, but don't just settle for the default. Take a few minutes to review the options. If you want to add extra fields like a phone number or drop-down for inquiry types, you can do that right here. Maybe you like to add some descriptive text above the form to reassure your visitors that you'll reply promptly, or even rearrange the order of sections. This part is all about making the page work for you and your customers. Once you've made your edits, take a quick preview to make sure everything looks good and that the form is easy to understand. If you spot something confusing, try thinking like a visitor and tweak accordingly. When you're happy with it, don't forget to hit Save. And that's it, you now have a custom contact form on your Shopify store. Setting this up means more professional communication and a better experience for your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want tips for more advanced forms. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a Shopify tutorial. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching and good luck building your store.